Good morning. Oh, I shouldn't even say that. Hi, I'm Chris Geredini. I'm the president and owner of Turnkey Technologies, a 31-year Microsoft Dynamics partner. Today, we're going to talk about artificial intelligence. There are so many things that are confusing people out there, and we're going to talk about even the differences between agents and co-pilots and use cases. What's going to stay the same? Because there's a lot changing. And then what should you do today? So co-pilot is a human assistant. So just to separate them, whereas a virtual agent is effectively a bot. But the co-pilot is a human assistant, and co-pilots plug into a lot of places in work. So great examples of use cases, and if you think about redundant work, well, there is a virtual agent that is built to reconcile your bank statements. And guess what it does? It'll do 98, 99, it'll do 100% if it can. But if it's got a deficiency, it's got, hey, I need a little bit of help to finish my task. You know, you can have a sales agent that's just watching an inbox. It's like, I got an order from a customer, creates the order, communicates, does all that autonomously. There are agents out there that will try to qualify leads. They'll interact with prospects, both chat, they can talk on the phone. So these things do speak very, very well, and they write very well, better than most humans, in fact. There's a customer service agent, always on. Customer asks for help. This thing's engaging. What's the problem? How do I help you? What's the solution? Let me find the resources. Let me follow up and do quality after we say we fixed it. A little bit different structure as you get into the agentic. It's got structure, it's got boundaries, guardrails, process, intent, and it learns and it evolves. And I think as humans try to figure out what's my role in an AI world, there's human aspects of life that just aren't going to go away. And people desire a personal touch. So if you think about personal relationships, it's a big deal. Incentives, motivation, the need for governance. I mean, governance doesn't go away. And again, we don't want AI to self-direct governance. I mean, humans really need to impose governance. Social programs. So you think about that side of it, and the evolution of society is not going to keep pace with AI. That's the biggest concern out there. Again, organizational dynamics aren't going to go away. Again, bots are going to be in the workplace. Again, they're going to get a Microsoft license? Are they going to have seniority? That's going to be an interesting conversation, but don't be confused. Humans will still run the organizations. You know, when you use a co-pilot application, you put your data in there, it does not look outside the boundaries. Meaning if I was a law firm and I put all my cases into a co-pilot, it's only searching within that. So that is bounded. So depending on the type of AI, and as we have AI in our ERP systems, it's not propagating data externally to the world. If you haven't done anything with AI in your business, you're behind. So what do you do now? You need a strategic plan. What is your AI plan? If you don't have one, you probably should work on that. You begin by giving your workers tools. We look at redundant work and where are we going to start gaining some efficiency and capacity in the organization. But that's how you build a plan. You start with your use cases. My organization, we're professional services. We engage with customers pre-sale with no obligation, and we'll talk to you about what makes sense to incorporate AI and virtual agents or co-pilots into your business. Thanks for your time and your consideration.